just gonna enjoy it, just soak it in, man. Just a great place to be this time of year. So, see what happens.
Alright, it's finally here. Spring turkey season. I've been cooped up all winter. Excited to get out, do some scouting, do some hiking, check out some new areas, and hopefully find some birds. I got out a week before the season opened and turned up a good number of birds. Found a couple spots that looked promising. I really wanted to try something different this year and do like kind of some backcountry, more style of turkey hunting. Get back a little bit further off the ag fields and stuff. So that was kind of what I was set out to do this year. On my scouting trip, I just kind of did a lot of riding around. Didn't really do like much hiking. Just kind of wanted to find some access points, possibly find birds, possibly locate some birds, hit some crow calls, just try to see if I could at least get a couple gobbles. But was kind of saving the more on foot scouting for the day before season. I got out there right before opener and had a day to do some scouting.
All right, y'all. I just made it to the piece of public that I'm hoping to hunt in the morning, and I just made it to the gate and caught a bird to my left. And check this out. Dude, I mean, there's 4 or 5 toms in this group right here alone. Let's go. Dude, that gets me pumped. Yes, sir. I just got some toms gobbling right over the hill here. I'm trying to get a peek at them, but this is what I was hoping to find. Just some of these birds that are back here. Walk-in access. And they're gobbling, they're talking day before season, so such a pretty spot up here too, man. Look at this view. It doesn't get any prettier, man. It does not get any prettier. This is a popular road. There's a lot of birds in here, but I don't know what pressure's gonna look like in the morning, so I dropped a pin on this bird. I like how far back he is. It might get me away from people a little bit. A lot of people running dirt bikes and four-wheelers in here that ain't supposed to be, so we'll see if somebody goes blowing past me in the morning. I'm gonna try and get up there and see if I can get a peek at him. Alright, it's getting dark, y'all. These birds should be hitting the tree, so. But it sounds like there's birds right up on top of this hill here. If there's a good gobble, come of them right here, I think it'd be dumb not to start there in the morning. So. Let's see. He's close. He sounds like a good tom to me. I think I'd be dumb not to start right here, man. I know I got birds back in the gate there a good ways. So I'll probably start with this bird in the morning and then work my way back to the gate. I mean, it was a mile and a half, 2 miles tops to get back there to those birds, so probably start with this one. We know where he's roosted at. He's in a tree right now, so I'll probably start there in the morning and work my way back. I'll do some timber company land walk-in, so hopefully nobody stirs in there. A lot of four-wheeler tracks in there. Just people locals just don't care about the gate, so we'll see what happens. Alright, y'all. I just got back to camp. Got camp set up. It's a party in there. But just got back from roosting some birds. Actually got one like right here behind camp that's roosted. But I think that might be a Jake. But I got about 7 birds back here on some walk-in. Approximately, I got 3 roosted. Other ones were just kind of scattered out. But, yeah, pretty productive day before opener. So, see if I can get this one to gobble one more time. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. I mean, they're in the tree for sure by now, but man, what a pretty spot, man. Just posted up on some state land out here and gonna get after them in the morning. I'm only like, he's just hammering back there. I'm only about 2 miles from where I'm gonna be hunting at, but so I'll just hop in the truck, try to be the first one at the gate. It could get overran with people, I don't really know, but just gonna give her a go, see what happens. This is it, man. Hunting solo. Got a buddy coming out here tomorrow. He's gonna do some hunting in the general area. We might, get lunch together, meet up. Hopefully somebody kills a bird. But just gonna enjoy it, just soak it in, man. Just a great place to be this time of year. So, we'll see what happens. Alright, y'all, set 1 was a bust. I tried to set up on some birds that I had real close to the entrance of the public, but I got cut off by some other hunters, so I'm back here about 2 miles now. But I had a bird fly down from the roof probably about 200 yards from me, and man, he just straight towards private. I mean, I might have had a chance to cut him off. He's probably half mile from private, but I'm gonna keep pushing. I got a bird gobbling up here on the road, but I just spooked a moose. Straight toward them. I thought I seen a bird fly, so could have been one of them crows, but I'm gonna keep pushing in on him, see if I can get him cooperate. So far, it's not a whole lot of cooperation, but hearing some birds, so I'm happy. Alright, we getting into that midday lull now. I've chased these birds around quite a bit this morning. They just playing the game of chess a little bit better. But I feel like I'm in a pretty good spot, so I think if I just keep after them, I'll be able to turn something up. But heard a couple shots this morning. I think a couple folks got some. There's 3 cars at the gate, so somebody popped them one, but just gonna keep after it and hopefully turn one up. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, boy. 2 for 1 special. Man, that was freaking sweet. I've been working them birds for like, oh, it had to be an hour and a half at least. And they finally, well, I budged, I guess. I finally ended up making a move on them. I was kind of down here on the bottom side of this little mountain. And they were up top, kind of right on the ridge. And they just, I mean, they would gobble every single time I'd call, but they just would not budge. And after about an hour and a half, I just had enough, and I kind of circled out wide, and I got about halfway up here and hit a call, and they gobbled, same spot, not moving. Maybe it sounded almost a little bit further, but then I got up here to the top, and crow or something went off, and they hammered off, and I could tell they were right back down here where I was where I just hit that call last. And so I freaking hustled down here super quick, just got in this little shady spot, and I mean, by the time I hit record, they were popping their heads up and over. But I think they got about 25, and I seen the 2 heads just line up perfectly and just let her rip. It's pretty cool. That's the first time I've gotten 2 in one shot, so it's opening day. I got 2 tags notched already, so, but yeah, 2 tags filled, and let's go. This is where the turkeys were standing when I shot them. You can kind of see the top of my backpack right there in the middle of the screen. That's out in the sun now. I was just in that little shaded area, just tucked against that tree. You can find that little bit of shade, man. It just tucked me in just enough. I didn't have a blind or anything. I didn't have a decoy or nothing, so